If you're seeing a HubSpot rate limit error or a server error when trying to create an inbox, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest steps to get HubSpot working again, avoid repeated request issues, and help you create your inbox without the error coming back. If this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get started. The first thing to know is that this error is often temporary. HubSpot can limit requests for a short period if too many actions happen too quickly. So step one is simply to wait about 10 to 60 seconds and try again. In many cases, the limit resets on its own, and the inbox creation will work normally after a short pause. This is the fastest fix, and it's worth trying before you change anything else. While you're waiting, make sure you're not triggering the same request over and over. If you keep refreshing or clicking Create repeatedly, HubSpot may continue to block the request. So slow down, give it a little time, and then test it once more. Next, reduce the frequency of requests. If you're working in HubSpot and trying to create inboxes, connect tools, or load the same page repeatedly, that can contribute to rate limit problems. Try to avoid rapid calls or repeated attempts in a short window. If you have any automation, browser extensions, or scripts running in the background, pause them for now so they don't keep sending requests. Another useful step is to use caching where possible. If the same information is being requested again and again, caching can help reduce unnecessary calls. That's especially helpful if you're using any integration or custom setup that keeps asking HubSpot for the same data. Fewer repeated requests means less chance of hitting the limit. Now try switching your network connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile hotspot. If you're on hotspot, switch back to Wi-Fi. Sometimes the issue is tied to the network path or connection behavior, and a simple network change can clear the problem. After switching, go back into HubSpot and try creating the inbox again. Also, disable any VPN or proxy if you have one turned on. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with how requests are routed, and that may make HubSpot more likely to show an error. Turn off the VPN, close the proxy if applicable, refresh the page, and then try the action one more time. This is a very common fix when the server error keeps appearing. If the page still isn't working, sign out of HubSpot, close the browser, and reopen it. Then sign back in and try the inbox setup again. A fresh session can sometimes clear temporary glitches that are causing the rate limit or server error message. You can also try using a different browser or an incognito window. This helps rule out browser cache, extensions, or corrupted session data. If the inbox creation works in another browser, then the issue is likely with your original browser rather than HubSpot itself. If you're managing a workspace or connected app, check whether another user, tool, or integration is making too many requests at the same time. In shared environments, rate limit errors can happen when multiple actions pile up together. Waiting a bit and reducing activity usually helps the system recover. Once the limit resets, go back and create the inbox again, slowly and carefully. Enter the required details once, avoid extra clicks, and let each step load fully before moving on. That usually gives you the cleanest chance of success. To recap, the main fixes are: wait for the limit to reset, reduce rapid requests, use caching where possible, switch networks, and disable VPNs or proxies. In most cases, one of those steps clears the HubSpot rate limit error and lets you create the inbox normally. If this video helped you solve the problem, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more quick HubSpot troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.